Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve probability class 11th exercise 16.1 question 14. An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. If the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. Write the sample space for this experiment. So we proceed like this. We roll a die. Then outcomes are even. Then the outcome will be 2, 4 or 6. Then we will be throwing the coin for a toss and there will be two outcome for each even number of die, that will be head or tail. Again for 4 there will be head or tail, and for 6 also head or tail. Now if the numbers are odd, which are 1, 3 and 5, then we have to toss the coin for 2 times. So on first toss there will be head or tail for 1 on the die upper face, and for 3 also there will be head or tail, and 5 again there will be head or tail for the first toss, and for each there will be second toss, and for each outcome there will be again head or tail, 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 and again head or tail. So what will be our sample space? So our sample space will be 2, h, 2, tail, 4, h, 4, tail, 6, h, 6, tail, when even number comes on the upper face of the die, and when odd number comes on the upper face of the die, then our sample space will be 1 HH or 1 H tail or 1 tail head or 1 TH or 1 TT tail, then 3 head which is 3HH, 3 head tail which is 3HT, 3 tail head which is 3TH, or 3 tail which is 3TT, or 5 head, 5 head tail, 5 tail head, or 5 tail. So these are our elements of our sample space, and if we count the elements in sample space, so those will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So there will be 18 elements in the sample space. Question 15. A coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box which contains 2 red and 3 black balls. If it shows head, we throw a die. Find the sample space for this experiment. So we toss a coin and there are 2 outcomes, which are tail and head. If tail comes, then we draw a ball and there are total 5 balls, 2 red and 3 black balls. So any of the ball may come, that is red 1 ball or red 2 ball, or black, which is B1, black 1 ball, or black 2 ball, or black 3 ball. And if head comes, we throw a die and there will be 6 outcomes out of it. And those outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So any of the 6 outcome may come when we throw a die. So our sample space will be, we denote T for tail. So T R1, ball red 1, T red 2, which is R2, then T B1 or black ball 1, then T B2, which is black ball 2, T black ball 3 to T B3. And when head comes, then H and 1 on the upper face of die, H or 2 on the upper face of die, H 3 on upper face of die, or H 4 on upper face of die, or H 5 on upper face of die, or H 6 on upper face of die. So our sample space is shown in the sample notation, and it has 11 elements. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So these are 11 elements in the sample space. Question 16. A die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. What is the sample space for this experiment? So we saw like this. If we throw a die, then any outcome may come from 1 to 6. And if it comes in the first throw, then we stop throwing the die. If it does not come in the first throw, then there will be other 5 outcomes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we again throw the die, and if 6 comes, we stop throwing the die. So in first throw, our sample point is 6, and in second throw, if the 6 doesn't come in first throw, then we throw it for the second time. Then our outcome will be 1, 6 or 2, 6 or 3, 6 or 4, 6 or 5, 6. So this will be our outcome for the second throw. But if it doesn't come in the second throw, then our third throw will be, anything may come in the third throw. So that can be 1, 1, 6, then 1, 2, 6, then 1, 3, 6. This way it continues. But if it doesn't come in the third throw, then we throw it for the fourth time, and again any of the things come. If it 6 comes, we stop throwing the die. If it doesn't come, we continue to throw the die, and this way it goes on until the 6 comes up in the die. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.